Hey everyone, if you're a Sony fan, and you've always dreamed of a phone that takes DSLR level photos, then this video is made just for you. Because today, we're talking about a smartphone that's about to shake up the market. One that's being compared to powerhouses, like the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, but for potentially half the price. You heard that right, people. We're diving deep into the leaked details of the Sony Xperia 2 Pro 5G. And the craziest part, all its secrets have been spilled before the official launch. So, if you want to know why this phone is such a big deal, what it might cost, and when you could get your hands on it, then stick around, because we're about to kick off one epic smartphone review. Let's get right into it. Features of the Sony Xperia 2 Pro. Display and design. This beast from Sony is rumored to pack a massive 6.76-inch QHD plus LTPO Super AMOLED screen. We're talking colors so vibrant, it'll feel like the world is living inside your display. It'll support HDR10+, and a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. That means every scroll, every swipe, every gaming session will look absolutely flawless. And listen up, gamers. With a 390Hz touch sampling rate, your taps and swipes will be recognized 10 times faster. Plus, you get an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP69 rating for serious water and dust resistance. Oh, and of course, military-grade protection is on board too. Camera setup. This is Sony we're talking about, and camera is their playground. This phone is rumored to have a killer triple camera setup. The primary sensor, a monstrous 108-megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter. This isn't just a number, folks, this is a promise that every single photo you take will be frame-worthy. It's also rumored to be joined by a 48-megapixel sensor, with 5x optical zoom, and an 8-megapixel telephoto sensor with a whopping 25x hybrid zoom. That means far-away subjects will look like they're right in front of you. And for all you selfie lovers, a 16-megapixel front camera is ready to make you look perfect in every shot. Performance and power. Under the hood, this Sony smartphone is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's most powerful and latest chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Whether you're into hardcore gaming or heavy multitasking, this phone will just laugh and say, "Is that all you've got?" And it's expected to run on the latest Android 16 for the smoothest experience possible. Battery backup. Let's talk battery life, because this thing is a monster. It's rumored to have a 6500 mAh powerhouse battery that could easily get you through a full day, and then some. And when you finally need to juice up, a 90-watt ultra-fast charger might be included in the box. Price and launch date. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the price. According to leaks, it could be around $999 in the USA. Just think about that for a second. All these incredible features for that price. Now that is what I call a steal. As for the launch date, there's no official announcement yet. But the second we get any updates, you'll be the first to know right here on this channel.